Okay, so MIUI 13 based on Android version 12 is out for the miatoll device users. I made a video for Redmi Note 9s or Pro users. If you're a Cortana user, you can install that build. But a lot of things have been fixed. MTP, which is Media Transfer Protocol, a lot of things have been fixed and Google apps are included in this one. If you want to install this build, you can install from custom recovery also. That's quite good. If you want to give it a try, you can. Let's get started. Talking about this build, it's talking about MIUI 13 21.12.27, and we have the December security patch with Android version 12. Android 12, this is good and maybe the first Android 12 build for the Redmi Note 9s Pro users. By the way, it's a miatoll build, can be installed on Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Redmi Note 9s or Poco M2 Pro. All of these devices, it is compatible with that, also with recovery. At this recovery version, if you install this build, you will see the Magisk will be installed, pre-installed for you. I'm not sure if it is working fine or not. By the way, I will not recommend you to use this one. It's just my opinion, of course. It might be not a stable ones out there. If you know about MIUI 12.5 ports, those are quite stable, but this one is not that stable yet. But if you still want to give it a try, you can. Although the camera has been fixed in this build, you can see if I click the photo and check out this here, you can see the photos are capturing perfectly fine. I tried taking pictures from portrait mode and etc. It was working fine. And in the MIUI 13 gallery, you also have the protective watermark feature, which I shown you in my previous video. Also, the protective watermark is just working pretty fine, no issues here too. If you want to use your own protective watermark, you can use that, but you don't have the PDF option, create PDF option, which was introduced in MIUI 12.5 beta ROMs. That is not present there. I'm not sure why, but it's actually not here. As expectedly, the control center is also from the MIUI 12.5. It's not from MIUI 13. MIUI 13 themed control center is not there. But if you want the MIUI 13 control center actually modified one, or with the help of an Android app, I made a video on that and I've already shared with you. You can go and check it out if you want that MIUI 13 control center. Also, previous build where I made a video on that was without Google Apps or Google Play Store, and this one Google Play Store is already included. I was not able to sign in, and that's why I told you that I will not recommend you to use this build as a daily driver. It's just my opinion, but I'm not able to sign in here. I'm not sure why. I tried rebooting, but didn't work. Else things, for example, the MIUI 13 wallpapers, etc., everything is present. If you want to check out the wallpapers, the MIUI 13 wallpapers are also there. Super wallpapers were included, maybe they need internet connection, which I don't have right now, but other MIUI 13 wallpapers are just working fine, and you can see all these wallpapers. I already have applied one of my favorite wallpapers on home screen, you just saw, and other wallpapers are also included. All the MIUI 13 inspired wallpapers are already included in this one. If you want to install this build, some things which are included, I've already shown you about this thing. This is MIUI 13 beta update. This is not based on Xiaomi EU. By the way, Xiaomi EU is also introduced, but it is just about a MIUI 13 China beta. You also have the new security app included for you. If you want to install this, you can. Let me talk about the installation process with you, which is quite easy, of course, but let's move on to recovery now. Okay, I'm using Orange Fox custom recovery here. Let me just move on to settings once, and let me just increase my brightness a little bit more. You can see now it's done. If I move on to the options, we have the wipe options available. So simply select cache, data and Dalvik swipe to wipe. After that, you need to format data also. So yes, format data is here. Move on to YES, type YES, done. And after that, what you need to do is you need to select this file, which should be available in your SD card. I think so. Select swipe to install. You're good to go. This is all. Thanks for watching. All credits goes to the developers. As always, link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.